welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video all about NYE Countdown Recap. Today ay Friday! Yay! Mayroon na siyang 2 episodes every Friday and Sunday. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto ka nice shares, comments, and views. Aabuti ng 500. Yes. If supporting natin sa ating social media ka. Latest vlog for today, 298 episode 298 title NYE Countdown Recap. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Highlights tayo muna. Panoorin natin. Okay, sa ginanap ng New Year's Eve Countdown Special na mga events like sa Taguig, sa Makati, sa Pasay, Quezon City, at yun na, iba pa mga. Let's start with sa Kapuso Network's New Year's Eve Countdown Special called Kapuso Countdown to 2025 sa Mall of Asia, Seaside Boulevard, kung saan Kapuso artists with Kaya 1621 BC and SB90 sa kanyang song na bawat SB90 sa Gento, and of course yung theme song ng MMFF Best Picture ng Greenbows. Yes, and of course fireworks display sa 12 midnight. Happy New Year to all. Now let's go into sa Net 25, which is 25 in 2025 special. We have Casey Montero, Pia Guanyo Mango, Tony Petgava, and the Star Kada cast will be the host Tuesday yan. Sa Philippine Arena, Bulacan with Chupe, Khalil, Nobita, and Maki, and many more. Mga taga INC, celebrate ang New Year. And meron tayong fireworks display pagpatak ng 12 midnight. Aside from GMA 7. Pati na yung mga non-TV broadcast, yung mga ABS, yung TV5, kagaya na nasa Makati, ng pagdiriwan ng New Year. Kasama po with other music artists who guests. Pati na yung sa Taguig night, mga ginanap ng New Year's Eve countdown. Sa Resorts World, ginanap na ang Countdown Ballroom 2025 Countdown, and sa Quezon City, sa Quezon Memorial Circle. And ang pinaka pasabog yung Bini. From Newport World Resort to Ayala, Makati, nung ginanap ng New Year's. What the heck? Lipat tayo from Newport Resort to Ayala. Congrats, Bini, the Nation's Girl Group, Gary B, Regine Velasquez, Jed Madela, Angelique Quinto, Glock 9, and Kamikaze, and of course, Kia Cipriano. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat, and we love you so much. And we always remember, that's positive tayo and prosperous New Year 2025 and good health. See you on Sunday sa another latest vlog po natin tungkol sa 20 topics on New Year's 2025. Mayan naman sa buong mundo. See you on Sunday. Bye. God bless.